Hello and welcome to Goa 365's News Now. I am Subhashish and these are the headlines. Mapsa District Hospital crumbles from healthcare hub to health hazard as basic facilities fail. Death trap as Macy's as poorly designed service road exposes critical infrastructure gaps in Goa's road safety. And now for the news in detail. Shocking visuals from Mapsa District Hospital have revealed its deteriorating condition. From overflowing sewage at its entrance to lacking essential facilities and even dysfunctional exterior lights, the hospital has several issues plaguing it. Here's more.
काल थंयसर तुमचो तो सारको ब्लॅक धबधबो वतालो धबधबो आतां बारीकशी नळ म्हणना धबधबो कसो वतालो तो गटरांतून तेंच्या घरांनी पावता तेंच्या कडेन सगळे कडेन बांय आसा बांयन पावता नॉट एमएलए जॉब नॉट काउन्सिलर जॉब सो हू वील गो यू शुड गो यू गिव मी द ऑथॉरिटी आय विल गो सिवेज सगळे रस्ते पार्किंग करता पळय बायक थंयसर पडटाले तेन्ना काडलेले आनी थंयसून वयताले म्हाका खबर आहा ती आतां म्हणटा की आय विल गिव आणि आम्ही खंय सेपरेट खंय आता हे बांदता and I don't know. I am a common man had come here that you have to tell me. So how long it will take?
That's what he has told us yesterday, no? So we will do it.
So
ask the municipality because he told us
no.
he's clear he'll give a call to municipality to do that.
That is look out to the MLA.
Yeah.
We are come here local.
Built to provide crucial healthcare services, the district hospital is now plagued by neglect. Overflowing sewage right at the entrance highlights the sheer apathy of the authorities. Patients already struggling with their health now face additional hardships. Adding to their woes, critical hospital equipment is also out of order. Here's what Congress leader Vijay Baik had to say.
आम्ही हांगा येयल्ले डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान खुबशे लोकल्सांचे आनी बाकीच्यांचे नॉर्थ गोवाचे खुबशे प्रॉब्लम आहा हेजे व्हडलें हॉस्पिटल बांदलां पण फॅसिलिटी झिरो सिटी स्कॅन चलना मागीर सोनोग्राफी मशीन चलना और ते म्हाका दिसता बाराची कॅपेसिटी आहा ते 100 कितें चलता म्हणटा ते व्हडलें आतां रिपेर केल्ले आनी मेजर म्हणटा पळय ते मेडिसिनाचे आनी एक हेल्थ सॅक्टराचे ज्या तरेन सिवेजीचो तेंच्यांनी हें केला ते गटराचे सगळे काळो धबधबो सगळ्याक म्हापशाक पावला आनी स्पेशली लोकांच्या नेबरांच्या घरा कडेन पावला तेंच्या बांयन वयता जराळी हे करता आनी तेजेर कांयच प्रिकॉशन घेतलेलें ना आतां आमी एसएफाक मेळ्ळे ती सांगता की आमकां की आमी ऑथॉरिटीक दिले आहा ते सांगतले खंय करतले म्हणून त्याच्या पयलीं म्हाका दिसता कोविडाच्या पयलीं तशीच घाण हांगा आसली लोकल आनी हे कितलेशे येवन हांगा तांकां सांगलें पण कोण तेजी हयकत घेयना मेन हे हॉस्पिटल म्हणटा ती प्रायमरी सुविधा जाय सेकेंड थींग म्हणटा ते एक लायटी तुमी जर आमी राती व्हिडिओ काडला लायटी एकूय पेटना कळ्ळें एक जाणटी मनीस कोण रातची येयली म्हाका मेळपाक जाय आनी कोण येयलो जाल्यार थंयसर एक दिसा सुद्दां ना थंयसर लायटीचे फूल बल्ब गेल्ले आसा ते रिपेर करता आतां आमी जेन्ना डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल म्हणटा पळय तर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ह्या व्हडल्या हॉस्पिटलान प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटराची इतली सुद्दां फॅसिलिटी ना.
The situation inside is just as alarming. Sewage water has seeped into the hospital premises, creating an unhygienic and suffocating environment. Patients are being forced to suffer in these unbearable conditions.
8 महिने पयलीं हांव एकदां येयल्लो ती सांगून तांकां बाबा तो सिवेजचो वास येता आमी सगळीं ह्या वटेनल्यान वयतात ह्या वटेनल्यान भुरगीं खूब ट्रॅवल जातात स्कॉलाक वयतात चलोन वयतात तो वास येता तांकां जायना सोसूंक तेंच्यांनी तेन्ना म्हाका सांगलें की आमी प्रोसिजर केला PWDक घातला हाय अथॉरिटीक घातला पूण आजुनूय हांव नफा कित्याक आतां आफ्टर 8 मंथ्स आमी येयल्या तरी आयज एक न्यू येयला हिंगा मॅडम तिणें तेंच सांगलां की आपूण कोत्तेली म्हणून आतां ती केन्ना कोत्तेली तें आमकां कांय खबर ना.
I stay opposite the district hospital itself. The sewage, this is almost now past 3-4 years that the sewage is overflowing over there, and with all that we have a lot of mosquitoes also. So I request the higher authorities or the concerned authorities to look, because if we come here and speak over here in the district hospital, they say that's not our concern, that's not our department. we have not to look into the sewage matter and all that. So requesting all those departments who are concerned with regards to the sewage facilities of the district hospital to come and please have a look. It's difficult for the neighboring people to stay over there. The smell as well as mosquitoes that is breeding over there. It's very difficult. So
We had come to solve this problem since the sewage water is coming out on the road. We are getting lot of smell, lot of mosquitoes are breeding. So we are afraid like it might cause problem for all the people staying here close by. So we hope the government takes the proper solution faster. And there are no proper lights in the entrance from last so many years.
When confronted with these serious issues, this is what the hospital officials had to say.
कांय लोकल्स तुमकां मेळपाक आयिल्ले बिकॉज जी एंट्रन्साक सिवेज जी फ्लो जाता खूब जाणांक ताचो त्रास जाता तुमी ऑफिसर आसा कितें म्हणटाय
Presently we were having a sewage treatment plant, but now the main sewerage line is going to get connected. It was supposed to get connected by the end of Jan, but now it's got a bit delayed and it will be getting connected at the end of maybe Feb. By March we should be done with it. So then the issue should not be there.
and also the CT scan machine is not working since long time.
Yeah, so we have asked for a new CT scan machine, and for the stopgap we have also moved up for following a codal procedure and either getting it outsourced to somebody till such time the new CT scan arrives.
And the morgue is working.
Morgue is working. 8 cabinets out of the 12 cabinets are working. Even the remaining 4 cabinets are working. Temperatures are maintained, but there is some small leakage, so we don't use those 4 cabinets. We use the remaining 8.
Nitiksha Gokar, Gautami Gokar and Aumkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
Despite road safety campaigns urging caution, Goa's accident rates continue to climb, not just from reckless driving, but from crumbling infrastructure. Our reporters Vincent Rosario and Dylan Rodrigues investigate the latest danger zone, a poorly designed service road near Mercedes Junction that highlights how official negligence puts lives at risk.
आता आमी आसा ते जस्ट 500 meters अवे फ्रॉम मेर्से जंक्शन आणि आता वे टू ओल्ड गोवा फ्रॉम पेंजीम आणि आता तुम्ही जाणा हिंगा सर्वीस रोड ओपन केल्लो आहा कित्याक ड्यू मेन रोडाचे कितें काम चालू आहा म्हणून सो व्हेकल सगळे डायवर्ट केले ऑन सर्वीस रोड पूण सर्वीस रोडाचेर तर तूं आतां आमचें मेन कन्सर्न म्हणल्यार सेफ्टी ऑफ पीपल ऑर सेफ्टी ऑफ व्हेकल्स आता हिंगा तेणी सर्वीस रोडाचेर रोड वायडींग मातसो हें केलां आनी रोडाचेर काम केलां तें बरें आहा कितें झाडां आहा तिवूय कातरली पूण तेजे सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन हिंगा घेतलेले ना हे एक हिंगा झाड रुटेड हें करून सांडलेलें आहा हें म्हणटू जायते मातशे सायडीक आहा अबावट 1/2 meter सुमार आतां तुमी दुसरें तर हिंगा झाड पळयत जाल्यार हिंगा 1 meter सुमार रस्त्याचेर हिंगा मोदें आहा आनी हे सायडीक तुमी पळयत जाल्यार हिंगा आनीक एक झाड आहा व्हडलें तशेंच आहा आतां हिंगा तर व्हेकल येयले आनी हिंगा तर 2 व्हिलराक एक 4 व्हिलर व्हेकल तर ओवरटेक कोत्ता आनी 2 व्हिलर तर हिंगा सायडीक येत जाल्यार हिंगा 2 व्हिलर मारून तेजें कितें जातलें तें तुमी पळयात आतां सेफ्टी कन्सर्न हिंगा हें हाफ रूट हें करून हिंगा रस्त्यार सांडलें कित्याक ही लोकांचे सेफ्टीचे हेका ह्या डिपार्टमेंटाक पडलेले ना इधर फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान तर कट करून सोडल्या जाल्यार हें फूल कट कित्याक करूंक ना वो PWDन कट करून सांडल्या जाल्यार हें फूल कट कित्याक करूंक ना हें हिंगा कोणाक कितें जावसर एक्सिडेंट जावसून हिंगा कोणाकूय कितें जावसर हिंगा रावले जाल्यार ती आतां खबर ना आमकां पूण आमचें मेन कन्सर्न म्हणल्यार पब्लीक सेफ्टी ऑन रोड आतां तुमी जाणा आसतले रस्त्याचेर कितलेच एक्सिडेंट जावन मरता पूण हें आमी आमच्या हातीन कितें करूंक जाता तें आमी करूंक कित्याक करूंक सोदना सो ह्यो आमचो मेन क्वेश्चन आनी मेन आमचो रिजन हें घेवपाक हे लोकांची सेफ्टी ह्या खंयच्याच डिपार्टमेंटाक कित्याक पडलेली ना सो तो आमचो मेन हें कित्याक आतां हें ऑलमोस्ट लायक 1 meter ऑन रोड झाड आहा तेन्ना तेका रिफ्लेक्टर वो कितेंच मार्क ना पूण 2 व्हिलर जाल्यार हिंगा कितें जातलें तें आनी तुमकां सांगपाची गरज ना 4 व्हिलराची म्हण तूं गाडी वखद गाडी डॅमेज जातली पूण टू व्हिलराचे हिंगा सेफ्टीचे कांय चान्सीस ना.
Vincent Rosario, Dylan Rodriguez, Manish Parab and Muzaf Sheikh for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. And finally, for the weather, a warm and dry day ahead for Goa. The Indian Meteorological Department reports that dry weather prevailed over the state in the past 24 hours, and that's likely to continue until the end of this month. Here's more.
For the next 7 days, Goa will continue to experience dry weather with temperatures rising slightly. The maximum temperature will range between 34 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, while the minimum will hover around 24 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Humidity levels will remain high with a maximum of 80% and a minimum of 50%. A shallow to moderate fog is likely during the early morning hours, so motorists and commuters are advised to drive cautiously. Dry conditions continue across the state. Shallow to moderate morning fog likely. High humidity at 80%, no coastal warnings issued. Maximum and minimum temperature on Saturday 35 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. You can also follow us on Facebook and YouTube at Goa365 TV. Until next time, take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.